Start na ba? Start na ba? Post natin yan sa YouTube.
Pakita nyo muna yung box.
Ayan. Ito yung likod.
Tell us the history, how you got the Sony PSP. What happened?
Diba?
Ano ba nangyari?
Ano, ayun.
Tapat mo sa akin yung hack. Alam nyo yan, limited yan. Limited edition. White version.
You bought it yourself, right?
Alam mo ninyo, NCO guys. Ako pumangas, baditay. Lahat kayo namamatay dyan. Pumada ka din.
Hi there. Yun na nga, unboxing na.
Unboxing.
So,
First time namin gagawin to. Medyo excited kami lahat.
let's
Tsaka
get
yung
started.
mga American friends natin siya. I got the white version.
Mga happy Thanksgiving Day.
Happy
natin
Thanksgiving. I
dyan.
got the white version for this actually my Christmas present for myself. This Christmas.
Dedicated to myself,
Dedicated
by
to
myself, for
by
myself, to myself.
To myself.
And I hope you like it.
And I
I
hope
hope I like it.
Okay. Ayun na nga, nabuksan mo natin. Alam niyo yan, cordless. Walang cord.
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi.
Naman na.
Blu-ray.
Blu-ray. Bango. Amoy States.
In the States.
Amoy Maryland.
Very American.
Amoy
To my
Manhattan.
fellow Americans.
To my fellow Americans, it smells like Manhattan.
Use a cable. What else? The USB thingy.
Diba?
The USB thingy.
That you connect to from PSP to PS3. Sorry guys.
Ase.
And this is our
This is my thing.
This is our JML cord.
Plancha.
Plancha.
More ano.
For more cord.
More.
So here's the game console.
So
And,
here's that.
and that's the egg, egg holder.
The egg holder.
Egg holder, ayan.
Shh, taligat.
Go for the egg holder.
Okay.
Ayan.
Palakpak tapak.
You love it? I think it's amazing.
Yeah.
I think you totally deserve winning that PSP3. I think if there's anyone who should win it, that'll be you.
Guys.
It's very easy.
You're the best person to win it. I'm so happy for you. Wedding.
Guys.
You are so deserving.
You know that.
3 minutes na is
This is actually my thing.
Yeah.
These are my stuff. This is so me.
You are so into it.
I am so into it.
I love it.
White version. NCO guys.
Ano na ASF dancer?
Eat it.
NCO guys, alam niyo yan. Lahat kayo nakamatay. Sorry. Badida yung pumamas.
29,000 thing.
Limited edition. Bakit? And all our fellow American friends.
Baksan na, baksan.
Because I deserve it. Bukas na
Ayun,
yan.
tapos wala pang bala. Yun lang.
A hard drive. You know, the SIM card.
You know the same.
You know.
Explain mo yung cord. Explain mo ang cord ng PSP.
And I don't know how to explain this.
This is the
That's the vent.
The ventilation thing.
ventilation thingy.
And then
This is where you insert. Ito tapos na.
this is where you insert
Yeah.
the
The disc.
the original
PS3
disc.
game.
Okay.
USB. Explain it.
And of course,
These are the ports.
These are the ports for internet.
Ports.
Akala ko pores. Yun yung pores.
For internet.
For internet.
For power
Power.
supply.
Power supply.
What else?
This is for
The USB
AV. AV in and out. This is for optical.
Wala na.
Binasa na lang.
Abay ka na.